Today we're going to be taking the maiden flight of a plane that I love, the B-25 Mitchell. This model today is from BlitzRCWorks, and I'm a little sketched out about it because some of their planes have been good, some of the planes haven't been the greatest. And this elevator's been a little funky. Before just getting this plane together, I just noticed the elevator screw is a little too tight, so if I go up, it stays a little up, and if I go down with the elevator, it stays down a little bit when it tries to return back to center. So we'll see how much that's going to affect the flight, and hopefully she turns out well.
Whoa, good.
Oh, what's my orientation?
You're flying away from us.
Okay. That was, she did it again.
Bring it home.
Trying to.
I hear you.
Guys.
What's happening? You just losing all throttle?
Yeah.
Is it throttle or radio? It seems like radio.
I think it's throttle. I'm not sure.
Yeah, bring it home.
Gear.
I already got gear down.
Oh, good. Because they're super slow.
Yeah, and super tight.
Flare.
That was an awesome landing.
Well, that was a terrifying flight. For whatever reason, either I was losing throttle or radio connection to my plane, and she was sketching out in the air where she would just lose throttle and all connection and just start dipping out. We'll have to look into this issue further in. For right now, it was terrifying. So we're going to go ahead and try remaking this plane after I just saved her out of the air. I don't know if it was the servos, something was cutting out on me. So we're going to go ahead and try a different radio on her and see if that's the issue. It's World War II, I'm an experimental pilot, and we're working out the gremlins. Okay.
From the south or the north?
From north to south.
Good. Okay.
The landing was better when he was panicked.
All right, bring it over. Give us a
new assessment with the different transmitters.
Yeah.
Tell us what you really think.
I'll tell you what I really think. Okay. So overall, it's my radio that's crapping out on me, sadly. But this plane surprisingly flies well. Well done, BlitzRCWorks. I'm very happy with this plane. She's very fast, surprisingly, with the 3700 in her. With a little bit of expo and some better trims, she'll do a lot better for me. Until next time, keep flying.